Men are not as complicated as many people think. But here's the problem. Most older women overlook the very things men truly love. And the truth is, it's not about looks, money, or status. It's about behaviors, habits, and actions that make a man feel alive in a relationship. Today, I'll share 10 things men secretly love, but sadly, only about 1% of older women actually do them. If you understand and apply these, you'll stand out more than 99% of women. Many older women wonder, why do men lose interest after a while? Why does he not pursue me like before? The issue isn't that men don't value mature women. In fact, surveys show men appreciate maturity, emotional stability, and real partnership. But here's the truth. Most older women stop doing certain things that men naturally crave. When those things are missing, men slowly disconnect. They may not complain directly, but they withdraw emotionally. Some start seeking excitement elsewhere. Others simply shut down and stay quiet in the relationship. That's why it feels like he's changed. But often it's not change. It's that he stopped getting what makes him feel loved. The good news, you can easily stand out. By knowing these 10 things, you'll understand men better than 99% of women. You'll not only keep his attention, you'll inspire him to give you more love, more effort, and more loyalty. Number 1. Playful energy. Men love when a woman can be playful, teasing, joking, laughing at small things. But research shows that as people get older, playfulness decreases. A 2020 study in the Journal of Aging Studies found that many older adults report taking life more seriously, and that lighthearted behaviors decline with age. For men, playfulness equals connection. It reminds him of youth, freedom, and joy. When only 1% of older women keep that playful spark, those women stand out immediately. Example, think of couples who laugh together in their 50s or 60s. Those relationships feel alive compared to couples who treat every moment like a business meeting. Number 2. Spontaneous affection. Men love being touched in simple, non-sexual ways like a hand squeeze, a playful hug from behind, or a kiss on the cheek when he's not expecting it. Yet surveys from AARP found that physical affection in long-term relationships decreases as couples age, especially initiated by women. Many women assume, he knows I love him, so I don't need to show it often. But here's the fact. Men never outgrow the need for affection. The 1% of women who keep giving it make their men feel wanted instead of tolerated. Number 3. Showing appreciation for the small things. Men often feel invisible in relationships. A study published in the Journal of Family Issues revealed that men in long-term relationships often report a lack of verbal appreciation for daily efforts, whether fixing something at home, paying bills, or even driving. When a woman says, "I appreciate you taking care of that," it hits deeper than she realizes. But sadly, most women stop verbalizing appreciation. The 1% who do, they make their men feel like heroes. Number 4. Encouraging his passions. Men love when their woman shows interest, or at least encouragement, for their hobbies. Yet, according to Pew Research Center, a large percentage of men report they feel unsupported in their personal interests by their partners. Whether it's fishing, playing guitar, or fixing cars, many women dismiss it as a waste of time. But here's the truth. Men attach part of their identity to their hobbies. When only 1% of women show genuine encouragement, asking questions, cheering him on, it makes him feel understood and respected. Number 5. Keeping mystery alive. Most women as they age become completely predictable in how they dress, behave, or plan routines. Men, however, still crave a bit of mystery. A Harvard University study on long-term attraction revealed that unpredictability increases dopamine in the brain, the same chemical tied to excitement and desire. When an older woman changes her look once in a while, surprises him with a new activity, or plans something unexpected, she triggers that dopamine rush. Most women stop doing this. The 1% who keep it alive, they keep men hooked. Number 6. Respecting his space. Men deeply value their independence. A survey by Men's Health showed that one of the top frustrations for men in long-term relationships is lack of personal space. Many older women, especially after raising families, expect constant closeness. But when a woman respects his space, encouraging him to hang out with friends, work on projects, or even just relax alone, he loves it. The 1% who balance closeness with space give men what they secretly crave but rarely ask for. Number 7. speaking to him with admiration, not criticism. Over time, many relationships fall into a cycle of nagging or criticism. According to the Gottman Institute, criticism is one of the top predictors of divorce. Men love when their woman speaks with admiration. Simple words like, "You always figure things out," or "I love how you handled that," make him feel respected. Sadly, most older women focus more on pointing out mistakes. The 1% who shift to admiration, they bring out the best in their men. Number 8, maintaining feminine energy. This is not about wearing high heels every day. It's about keeping that gentle, warm, nurturing energy alive. Studies in evolutionary psychology show men are drawn to women who balance strength with softness. But many older women, after years of stress and responsibility, lose touch with that softer side. The 1% who maintain it, through kindness, warmth, and emotional openness, become irresistible even without trying. Number 9, creating fun, intimacy beyond the bedroom. For men, intimacy is not just physical, it's emotional connection, laughter, closeness. But over time, many older women reduce intimacy to a routine or avoid it altogether. A National Library of Medicine report found that sexual satisfaction and closeness in relationships decline with age, largely due to lack of initiation from women. The 1% who keep it alive, through flirting, touching, and exploring fun ways to connect, make their men feel like they're still dating. Number 10, believing in his potential. Men love when a woman believes in them, even when they doubt themselves. A case study from the American Psychological Association showed that partner support is one of the strongest predictors of male career success and confidence. Yet, many older women lose faith in their man's dreams, saying things like, "At your age, you should stop trying new things." The 1% who believe in their man's potential, even in small goals, give him strength he can't find anywhere else. The problem is clear. Most older women stop doing these things. They get stuck in routine, forget playfulness, drop affection, and focus more on criticism than admiration. When that happens, men withdraw. They feel unloved, unappreciated, and uninspired. And that's why so many relationships lose their spark over time. The solution is simple. Embrace the 10 things men secretly love. Even doing just 2 or 3 of them consistently can transform a relationship. So now you know the truth. Men love playfulness, but only 1% of women keep it alive. Men love spontaneous affection, but most women stop giving it. Men love appreciation, admiration, respect, and belief, but only a few women deliver it. If you want to be that 1% woman, start small. Try one of these today. Laugh with him. Hug him unexpectedly. Appreciate something he did. Watch his reaction. You'll see his eyes light up. Because at the end of the day, men don't just want a partner. They want to feel alive, admired, and loved. And when you give that, you become unforgettable. If you're tired of guessing what he's thinking and you're ready to attract a man who actually shows up the way you deserve, go grab your free copy of the 7-Step Male Mind Decoder. It's helped thousands of women cut through the confusion and finally feel confident in love again. Just click the link in the description to get instant free access.